right after 18 flavors, actually isa-isa lang yon. Imagine guys, 18 pieces of wings, plus burger, plus quesadilla, plus drink, plus soup. That's a lot of food, man. Thanks so much, Wing Zone. Alright, so guys, finally, thank God, natapos din yung pagpe-prepare ng pagkain nila dito. And look at my table for today. Ang dami nito guys. This is, practically impossible for me to finish. Pero what we're gonna do today is, since meron silang 18 flavors for the chicken wings, might as well, let's do an, 18 flavors chicken challenge. Hopefully matikman natin lahat, even the burgers at saka yung mga quesadillas nila. So once again, thank you so much Wing Zone for inviting me. Grabe, such a generous restaurant. So hopefully guys, mabisita nyo rin to. And ayan, matikman yung mga pagkain natin dito. So let's get into it. Let's go! So once again guys, thank you so much for being with me in this video. Thank you so much Wing Zone Clark. So I think this is their only branch dito po sa Pampanga. And just a brief background about Wing Zone. So, ito pala ay owned ni Sir Vic Del Rosario. If you, lalo na sa mga titos at titas, you could really recall the name kapag sinabi mo yung Viva Films. Sigurado maririnig mo si Boss Vic. Si Wing Zone pala is originally from Florida, USA, and it started way back 1990s. Si Wing Zone Clark started in 2019. They have 18 flavors for their chicken. Aside from that, meron din silang burgers. So they have chicken burgers as well as beef burgers, and then meron din tayo ditong mga quesadillas. They also serve this bowls, itong mga rice bowls. Imagine guys, now when you go to a restaurant, most probably you order just, single rice bowl such as this. Pero for today, medyo papahirapan nila tayo dahil papatikim nila sa atin yung mga flavors ng kanilang chicken. 18, take note guys, 18. Okay, so good thing guys, ang ginawa nila dito is they categorize yung mga flavors natin. Sweet no heat, sweet and spicy, dry rub, savory flavors, and traditional buffalo. So 5 pala yun. Let's start guys. Thank you Lord for the food. Oh man. Okay, I wanna try sweet samurai. Part of the sweet no heat, an Asian traditional flavor. Next is the honey cube. This is their honey cube. Tingnan natin. Also part of the sweet no heat. Okay, so this time, this is the mango fire, part ng mga sweet and spicy category nila. Oh wow! First off, it is spicy. It's very fruity. So that's the third. I wanna try yung kanilang Tokyo Dragon. Tokyo Dragon is still part ng kanilang sweet and spicy category. Let me figure it out. Little bit sour, konti lang. Okay, next I wanna try is yung kanilang nuclear habanero. Wow, from the name, parang pumuputok to nuclear. One of the traditional buffalo. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Wow, that's hot. Parang kailangan ko ng drink break after this one. Before tayo mag-drink break, I wanna try yung kanilang Buffalo Bliss. Oh man, making my life so good and at the same time so hard. I noticed talagang sobrang different ng flavor ng mga traditional buffalo doon sa mga Asian tradition earlier na tinry natin. Drink break muna tayo. They sent us a milkshake, a chocolate shake, and a fruit shake which is mango. I want to try yung kanilang milk kasi nga medyo manghang kanina. milkshake. Quesadillas. So for the quesadillas, they have Cool Ranch for the dip. Oh, I like the salsa. It's not too sour. So yung quesadilla nila has a buffalo grease flavor ng chicken. Oh wow. So ito naman, Blackened Voodoo is part of their dry rub category. First time natin matitikman. Wonder what's the taste. So this time yung dry rub natin tastes like Cajun. Ayan. So if you're familiar with the Cajun flavor, it started in New Orleans, and usually mga Cajun is flavors of mga seafood. Wow. Okay, moving on with the chicken. This time, let's try this smoke and Q. It's part of their sweet and spicy. This is a barbecue smoky flavor. Smoke and Q. So far, it's my favorite from the previous flavors. If your first time here, you don't know what to order, start with the Smoke and Q. Now this one is Thai chili. Let's try it. Oh wow! So guys, so far, ito na yung nakakain natin. Buffalo Parmesan or the Buffalo Parm. Part of the savory category nila. So yun nga, as expected, since buffalo flavor siya, it's a little bit sour. So this is the garlic parm naman. Alright, this one's simple flavor. Siyempre, di naman lahat ng pumupunta sa mga this kind of restaurant are, you know, really into different kind of flavors. So right after 10 flavors, another drink break muna tayo. This time I wanna taste yung kanilang mango shake. Mango shake. We're gonna start eating their burgers. Wow! Okay, so for their burgers, they have prepared us 5 burgers. Sabi nga kanina, they have chicken and beef burgers. Meron tayong Big Red, Blackened, Samurai, Texas Smoke, at saka Raging Cajun. So, the same mga flavors ng mga chicken natin are available, served as burgers. Texas Smoke. This one. This is the Texas Smoke. So let me give a brief description sa kanilang Texas Smoke. So it is a combination of sweetened honey at smoky barbecue, premium Angus beef, plus bacon, plus mga greens natin. Let's try it, guys. That patty is so thick. That is just so thick. Look at that. I'm starting to feel it, pero just one last bite and then magpuproceed na tayo sa mga ibang flavors naman nila. Yung mga ibang servings din sila for the chicken. So meron tayong strips at saka the bone. Let me try this, the bone. Ayan. So you can request for this one kasi parang mga finger foods na lang sila. Just like this one. Blackened Voodoo. Cool Ranch. Bagong flavor pa sa akin, Cool Ranch. What is a Cool Ranch? Let's try it. Next is for the chicken strips, guys. So this is Liquid Gold. Wow, that's interesting. Chipotle barbecue. Okay, so this one. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is more of a parang steak flavor. Parang siyang ganun. Okay, so lastly for their strips, this is the Liquid Gold, part of their sweet no heat. So balik tayo dun sa mga non-spicy flavors. Kaya nga pala Liquid Gold siya. The flavor is actually honey and mustard. So if you mix those two ingredients together, parang nga naman siyang Liquid Gold. Makes sense. Alright, so again, new on their menu, ito. So this is all in one, no? You have your rice, you have your mixed vegetables or yung salad, and then yung mga tatlong variants natin for the chicken, yung the bone, yung strips, at saka yung, you know, the chicken wings, available in one. Garlic Farm, natikman na natin to. Garlic Farm, this is done. This is Spicy Alabama. Parang hindi pa natin natikman si Spicy Alabama, so let me try it. So let's taste it. It is spicy. Alabama spicy indeed. Finally, after 17 flavors, this is the 18th flavor. Louisiana smoke. Oh man. Number 18. Number 18. Enhanced smoked barbecue sauce and then a taste of citrus. So medyo maasim siya. So finally guys, cheers to our 18 flavors challenge. If this is a man versus food challenge, food wins, man loses. Let me mention this one. So they are celebrating their second anniversary dito po sa Clark on August 8, 2021. So they have a promo. If you dine in here, so meron tayong free 2 pieces na drumsticks for every minimum of 500 pesos spent on it. So congratulations on your second anniversary Wing Zone. Hopefully you guys that are watching, hopefully ma-experience nyo rin to. They are actually available dine-in. So they are available sa Grab and Food Panda. If you wanna order this one and enjoy them at the comfort of your home, that's easy. Nowadays, that's easy. So guys, thank you for joining me. That was really somewhat pleasurable torture. Ang daming pagkain dito. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you're near Clark area, SM Clark particularly, make sure to check out Wing Zone dito po sa first level nila. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, cheers for the 18 flavor challenge. Bye guys.